I get a chicken. Ugh. I need light. Oh wait, perfect from the mistake I... Shut up. Ugh. I need light. Oh wait, perfect from the mistake I... Shut up. Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs. I'm seeing things, god damn. I thought I saw Slenderman's tentacle there. And clutch, clutch, clutch. Ugh. I need light. Oh wait, perfect from the mistake I... Shut up. Blue doo, blue doo, blue doo. It's coming for you, blue doo, blue doo, blue doo. And clutch, clutch, clutch.
Jack and jockey. just like a dope fight. You just gotta cut against the grain. But leaving quite the domestic footprint. Except now! Get ready for some steroid spikes! Ingredients. Stay for dinner. This is mass selection. Seconds. This is investigation.
yeah, the damage. Oh yeah, the damage.
Yeah, me and my friends go over. Standing alone, standing tight at the bridge, bed on the bridge. But I need to go on, day after day as I'm hoping to stay away from here. I have no more chains on me.
Primal rage, it holds me back every day.
Run around, take planet on the ground. Your baby feel that rhythm, but you understand. So keep it rolling, you never slow it down. Just
I'm
keep
outta
it real. Upside down. Standing alone. Sorry, I'm just practicing for the inevitable. Yes, I do sound like a boy. Why did you do it, Uppy? What? I didn't do anything, no. I didn't do it. Wait, I got one for this. Man, what? Yeah. Hello, I'm Uppy. Come hit me with your high damaging moves. Standing alone. Stationary is chicken. Okay, not anymore. I'm fine. Just out of reach. Fit on the brakes. But but I need to go on. Day after day as I fall behind you, keep me away from being hurt. I am no more chains on me.
To infinity and beyond!
I'm out of here. I could do more than just dodge rolls, you know. Run around, kick planet on the ground. Your baby feel that rhythm, break the speed of sound. So keep it rolling. You never slow
I'm outta
it
here.
down, just keep it real. Upside down, these limits are unbound. Your baby
Take this, evildoer.
Follow that ground, so keep it rolling. You never slow me down. I am what's real. Hills of fading green.
Okay, don't stop your really high damaging character while I'm in this check. Thank you. Okay, thank you.
Break me free. Run until the end.
I'm outta here.
I'm risking my life for these friends I've been here. These voices that
I could do more than just dodge rolls, you know.
And try to find my way back to the home that you took
Okay,
from me.
don't swap your really high damaging character while I'm in this check. Thank you. Okay, thank you.
So I can break free.
Oh, Uncle Craig won. He's ugly. Everybody, I'm Untitled Forsaken Buzzwords connive fat into an idol. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm friendly, don't hit me, I'm friendly. Guys, let's team up. I'm gonna eat my chicken to restore some health. Let's do an emote, guys. You best be glad there's no admin Yikes! See, taking that hit was all part of my You can't kill me, I'm immortal. Respawn! Oh, you guys are. Yikes! Oh, you guys are so lucky I don't have the admin panel here. Yikes! Welcome to my Untitled Forsaken Engine rap. 3, 2, 1, go. My skin in the shop. Why did you do it, Uppy? What? I didn't do anything, no. I didn't do it. Standing alone, standing just out of reach, fit on the brakes, but I need to go on. Day after day as I fall behind you, keep me away from being hurt. I am no more chains on me.
To infinity and beyond!
Run around, kick planet on the ground, your baby.
Oh, Uncle Craig won. He's ugly Craig
Please take a seat! Places, people!
Ugh. I need light. Oh wait, perfect from the mistake I shut up. Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs. Damage.
So please just let this be the way that I can honor their names.
Oh yeah, the damage. If I get a chicken,
Jack and jockey. go on. Day after day as I fall behind you. Moving from here to higher. Over chains on me.
Dodge mode, you know.
What a rhyme to clutter on the ground. But if you feel that rhythm, there must be the sign. So keep it rolling. You never slow it down, just keep it real. Upside down, using the star on down. You're gonna think you got this in the part of background. Keep it rolling. You never slow me down. I am what's real. Hills of faith and dreams. Unravel as the dream. Break me free. Run until the end. This is what I ran. I'm risking my life. Greatest friends I've been. These voices they call on me to break away. To find my way back to the whole night. From you, I'm thinking for what to do.
Dodge mode, you know.
So instead of reflecting on themselves, they blame the beast.
I've got so much for you!
Heaven or hell. Duel 1.
I'll stand strong! Always stand strong! Can you feel
Doer.
Hear that sound, you got your feel the ring. From here on, I'm the best one around. So keep it rolling. If you step that back, I am real.
Oh yeah, damn it.
Hills of fading green.
Take this, doer.
Break me free. Run until the end, turn this for the right. I'm risking my life, brainstormers a band. Hearing these voices like all I need to break away. To try to find my way back to the home. From me, I'm everything more. Oh, you want to be? I wanna ever fall down. So get me strength so I can break free. Oh yeah, check out this cool guitar solo.
Yeah, I took rocks in that one. Thank you. Dodge mode.
Oh yeah, damn it.
Run until the end, turn this world around. I'm risking my life for the strength of man. Hearing these voices like all I need to break away. See fellas, it's a goal that we don't want to do.
More than just dodge mode, you know.
So give me strength so I can break free. I'm escaping.
This is the end of the song.
This is a certified great classic.
Come on, yeah!
Hey, stop! yeah, the damage.
Can you feel the fury, the primal rage? It holds me back every day, the surge with no grace. Oh, you feel the fury and show me what was taken, shaking you that you've made this way. Can you feel the fury that was held me back, stop me from seeing the way, but I won't hold back now. Can you feel the fury? So please just let this be the way that I can honor their names.
Mankind knew that they cannot change society.
Oh yeah, the damage.
So instead of reflecting on themselves, they blamed the beasts.
I've done so much for you!
Heaven or hell. Duel 1.
Oh yeah, the damage.
Always stand strong!
Can you feel the fury, the primal rage? It holds me back every day, the surge with no place. Oh, you feel the fury and show me what was taken, shaking you that you've made this way.
Oh
Can you
yeah,
feel
the
fury that was
damage.
held me back, stop me from seeing the way, but I won't hold back now. Can you feel the fury? So please just let this be the way that I can honor their names.
Oh yeah, the damage.
What are you doing in my blood?
This is a certified classic.
For the red. I'm seeing things, god damn. I thought I saw Slenderman's tentacle there.
Okay, I really hope that there is not an evil sailor here. Oh my god. Yes, I do sound like a boy.
Standing alone, standing just out of reach, foot on the brakes. But I need to go on. Day after day as I fall behind you, keep me away from being who I am. No more chains on me.
To infinity and beyond!
Take this, evildoer. Okay, don't swap to a really high damage attack to run. I'm out of here.
You baby feel that rhythm with the speed of sound. So keep it rolling, you never slow it down, just keep it real. Upside down, these limits are unbound. You baby thicker than fake, you fall the background. So keep it rolling, you never slow me down, I am what's real. Hills of
You, my friend! You have just made me crave some chicken. I'm out of here.
Break me free. Run until the end of this world I ran. I'm risking my life for these friends I've found. Hear these voices that call to me to break away and try to find my way back.
Hello, I'm Upbeat. Come help me try high damage bonus. Stationary check-in. Okay, not anymore, I'm fine.
Give me strength so I can break free.
Hello, I'm Uppy. I could do more than just dodge rolls, you know. I'm out of here.
Drag on, keep it going to dawn. Escape the city that just needed control. Get the in the city that burn your spine.
Hear that sound? Yeah, who cares how many of me there are? I'm the best one around, so keep it rolling. This new strength I've found, I am what's real. Hills of fading green, unravel at the seams. Break me free. Run until the entrance for the wet. I'm risking my life. Stormers of band, hear these voices that call to me to break the wind.
You, my friend! You have just made me crave some chicken. Take this, evildoer. I'm out of here.
So I can breathe.
You, my friend! You have just made me crave some chicken.
Alright, fella.
I could do more than just dodge rolls, you know. I'm out of here.
Turn this world around. I'm risking my life for these friends I've been.
Hello, I'm Uppy.
Come take over. Everything you want, all you want to. I would ever fall down. So give me strength so I can breathe. I'm escaping! Woo! Oh! I'm the best! This is the end of the song.
This is a certified good classic.
Yes, I do sound like a boss. My fellow teammates, I ask of you to report to me if you see a man with white hair and a sailor's outfit. Thank you for your cooperation. Okay, first person to complain the upbeat is the most annoying skin in the game gets something really good. Why did you do it, upbeat? But I didn't do anything, no! I didn't do it!
Choo-choo! It's Clementine! Hee-hee-hee-ha!
Hell yeah! You just know it, baby! Guys, you might want to come check this out. You can't hear it from over here, pal.
Chill beats hack and slash 2.
Yeah, that's my jam.
You, my friend, you just made me mad.
A 1 and a 2 and a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6. You can't hear it from over here, pal.
My fellow killers. My fellow killers. Anyways, I ask you to press the wrath of my angry chainsaw son! Oh, that's gonna sound like a bastard die. Every time I use this dash, it costs me 30 crack coins. Target locked. Moving in frame. Consider this 15 damage. Turn. Hey, big serious man. What Jesus?
brass
If I
knuckles
do
out of
get
shoulders,
hit by it,
boss.
well, that's 5 seconds of doing nothing for me. It's a lose-lose. It's really harsh. It's really harsh. Don't even get me started about how he's a self-heal character. Oh my gosh. He's a self-heal character. So if I don't commit to a chase for the whole time,
What
just picking back up, I
incarnation
have to
is
do all
this
that damage
even?
again.
I could use some cider.
Fencing.
Random.
Fencing.
I don't
Fencing.
know.
It seems innocent at first that if you miss, you get end lag. But no, you could just head a wall to cancel all the end lag and get a free chase extension. I wouldn't say anything.
Back in my town. That was
bad,
daytime. Protector of the town? The
Look,
sheriff.
you are awful.
That was so easily. Like the odd case like that when they choose in a train think that they're the rule. Shit. Man, I could use some anti-phlegmatic. Pipe.
Okay, you, my friend, you have just made me crave some chicken.
It's all mind games, because you all know the fact that all Shedletskis can't end their sword swings. But you see, I'm not Shedletsky, I'm Upbeat!
AA, PC. What? How did you reach me?
Okay, don't swap to a really high damaging character while I'm eating this chicken. Thank you. Okay, thanks. Appreciate it.
First person to complain that Upbeat is the most annoying skin in the game gets something really, really, really cool.